Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So today's topic is directions children. So we are doing the bridge course. So in that one topic we have selected children. So we know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So you could have observed children. So early morning you have to get up and see which direction the sun rises. Then you can come to know that sun rises in the east and sets by the evening time, it sets in the west, opposite direction children. So this east and west are your first directions you are coming to know. Then apart from that, you have two more directions children. One is north and another one is south. So totally there are four directions. Okay. So one is north, one is south, another one is east and the west. So they are called as cardinal directions. Okay, there are four important directions children. So they are called as cardinal directions. So learning to know the direction children, which way to go. Suppose you are at one bus stop or any place or a location. So you wanted to go to some other place. So how will you find that? Nowadays you have the Google Maps. When you travel in car or taxi, you can put the Google Maps and see. But otherwise, how you can find the directions? Some things are there children, that one we will come to know. Okay, so these north, south, east, west directions help people to move to different places children. Okay. So that they can identify and reach the particular place. The next one, from the four directions, another four more directions are there. They are called intermediary directions, okay, or intermediate directions. So what are they? We will see now children. So between north and east, it is northeast. Between north and west, it is northwest. Between south and west, it is southwest. Between south and east, it is southeast. So these four directions are intermediate directions children. Once again I repeat, between north and west, it is northwest. Between north and east, it is northeast. Between south and east, it is southeast. And between south and west, it is southwest. So totally there are 8 directions are there. So using this, it will be helpful for us to find a location or to find a person where he is located, position of a person children. Okay. So in your textbook also it is being given. Now if you ask any person, so which way to go? To your hospital, to your bank or a post office, or if anyone asks where is your school located, how will you tell them the location? Just think about it children. So you will tell, you get down at that bus stop or you go straight forward some 10 meters and you can find the school over there. So you can give guidance for them to reach their location children. Okay. So one of the way to find the direction is sun, where the sun rises children. Okay. So we know always that sun rises in the east. Okay. So what we can say is, imagine that the sun rises in the east. So I am facing the sun children. Okay. So what you can take it, this part is east and the back side of this one is west, and to the left is north and to the right is south children. Okay. In this way you can remember. So once as an earlier you get up and see where the sun is rising and you stand before the sun and find out the direction children. So where the sun rises, it is in the east, and where the sun sets, it's in the back side, western side. And to the left side you have the north, and to the right side you have the south children. So in this way you can easily find out the direction. Then one more instrument was there children, that is called as compass. Okay, this compass has got a magnetic needle inside that. So what happens, this magnetic needle, one point will always show towards the north, children. Okay, this magnetic needle will always show towards the north. So from that you can identify the direction is northern side where the needle points out, the other side is southern, and you can see that on your right is east and your left is west, children. So you should be always clear about this, children. So which one you are using, either the sun rising or the compass, you should know it properly how to tell the directions, children. It is very, very important. Okay. So today's class we have learnt about directions. 4 directions. One is north, south, east, west, and then intermediate directions are northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest, children. So you can take out your textbook and read it, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.